Wait for me. Whoa, ha, ha. Mario Brothers, you think you'll get that princess back? They will most certainly not, Father. Thanks for telling me that, son. Now go and attack them. Yes, Father. Ah! Ah! I missed. Come on, use your chance to attack. Go, go, go. Yeah, ow, ow, get off me. Oh. I'll get you. How do you do that attack thing? Oh, I don't know the math of it. That's not the right way. It's not even hurting. What do you mean? This is the way to do it. Yeah. Ow, ow, ah! Get him, Yoshi! Yoshi! Oh my God! It's done. Yeah. We got him. Let's go home and get the princess. Oh, let's go to the castle and get the princess. Junior! Yeah, Dad? You failed me again because you didn't know the math of that attack. How would I know? Luigi's the one who got me. Son? Yeah? The Mushroom Kingdom school is starting tomorrow, and I'm not going to school. School's for dummies. You'll learn in school. And I never went there. I don't want you to live on to be the disgrace that I am. Do I need to be a good guy? No. I mean, a smart bad guy. Oh, okay, yay. Because now I'm not going to school. What? You hit the camera. Is it alright? You hit the camera. Is it alright? You alright, camera? Okay, let's go. Junior, got back here. Where can I head? This might work. Junior? That's not Junior. Ow! Huh? Ow! Junior! I'm not Junior. I'm a thing that says Lego on it. Junior. Fine, I'll go to school. No school! MLM? Yeah? How much longer does this, me trying to catch Junior scene go on? 10 hours. Oh. Can you, edit it so it can end, in the next, 10 seconds or something? Sure. Bye. Wait, no, I gotta go to the bathroom. No, I don't want to go. No. Excuse me, Mr. Toadsworth. Yes, I would like to enroll my son here. Oh, wonderful. He can go sit with the other children over there. Have a good Thursday. Finally, I can play some Xbox alone. Hi, I'm Bowser Jr. I'm Baby Waluigi. I'm Diddy Kong. And who are you? What do you say? He's Bluebird, one of the Angry Birds. You ever played their game? Nope. Well, I'm speechless. Okay then, class. Do you want to have a pop quiz? Who is the Mushroom Kingdom Savior? Wario? DK? Mario. Bowser Jr. Junior gets it right. That's a gold star for you. Bing! Next question. Well, what's a gold star thing? Oh, those are given to the students who get the questions right on a hard pop quiz. That's not hard. Mario's the savior of the Mushroom Kingdom. He's probably the only savior of the Mushroom Kingdom. Hey, they get tougher, trust me. Mm-hmm. What? This question is, what was Mario's first appearance in? Donkey Kong! Correct. Gold star for you. Anyways, ring, ring, ring. Oh, it's time for lunch. Oh boy, lunch! Lunch! Oh, cool, lunchtime. Oh, me? I'm having my favorite food. Oh, bacon. Yes, I know, it isn't made out of pigs. Mm-hmm. Oh, bananas. You seem down, Bowser Jr. I've just never been to school before. Trust me, it's fun when you have friends. What, I do? Yeah, me? Me? I guess you're right. I do have friends. Maybe the school year's not so bad. I'll make guys worse, trust me. What? Well, remember what I said about friends? Oh, yeah. Well, how worse? Science projects, reading projects, math projects, homework. The thing that has dreaded me for years. More than my own game. Yeah, you'll be used to it. By the way, what are you reading? Fire waffles. Cool. Recess! What's recess? Oh, recess is when you go outside. Or inside. Yeah, because it's raining out. It's raining out, see? Well, it's just a crappy day. It's alright. Or stay inside and play board games. Cool. Oh, Junior, I'm ready to pick you up. But I don't want to go, Ted. School's the best thing that ever happened to me. I knew you'd catch on. We'll come back tomorrow. For almost a year. Woo! Well, let's go home. Bye, Diddy. Bye. Bye. Wow, school isn't so bad, is it? It won't be when you're a smart boy, son. I love school. Who doesn't? Practically half of the real world is kids. Yep, that is true.